Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Smooth moves. Spark's footage is smoother. It form preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. It's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. Just tap fly. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.